I'm Sabahat Asim Wasti. I'm a specialist and head of neurorehabilitation at Cleveland Clinic, Abu Dhabi. Neurorehabilitation is that branch of neurology that deals with the problems with the function of the body parts, like the hand or the arm or the leg, that is being affected due to any neurological condition. For example, if a person has a stroke and they're unable to move their hand or use their hand, or cannot walk or cannot swallow or cannot speak, then the rehabilitation from interventions can help them. Our physical therapists and occupational therapists and speech and language pathologists can help through their interventions to help you regain the function of the hand, improve your ability to walk, return to communication and speech, and be able to swallow again. So that is the way that we deal with. We also use medications to help improve your status after stroke or any other neurological condition. We are not just restricted to stroke. We see patients with other neurological conditions such as head injury, long-standing or new head injuries. We also see patients with spinal cord injury. We see patients with multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, movement disorders, which means people who are unable to control their ability to walk or their balance problems. So there is a large number of conditions that we can help people with in neurorehabilitation. Also, we are experts in advising about the equipment and support systems that a person with neurological disorder can utilize to their benefit. With the emerging technology, we are now moving to improve people's situations after neurological condition using treatments like robotic therapy, virtual reality, where the person can be immersed in an environment where they actually are not, but can believe that they are using their affected arm or leg in a manner that is near to normal, and that can influence the brain to recover the function. So there is many ways we can help you if you or anyone of your loved one have a neurological condition that has affected their ability to walk, talk, speak, use their hands, or any other way it has affected their life. Then we in neurorehabilitation at Cleveland Clinic, Abu Dhabi, will be able to help you. You can come and see one of our physicians in outpatient clinic, and we can direct you in the correct way how best to manage your problems. Please do come to us, and we'll support and help you.